Public Enemy. That's so crazy. Yeah, I used to ride around in my car smoking a blunt. And it's just like, need to do something with this. It just be like, next thing you know, they snuffed it. It was like, take that. They went to 1990 and just flipped the whole set. Yo, Z, I want you to just rub the drums. Just get the drums. Let the drums rock for a minute. We're gonna let it breathe, Greg. Let's let it breathe. Come on.